everyone, I'm Shazmin Khan from Pandavpura. I completed my bachelor's from Kaveri Institute of Technology, Mandya, in the stream of Electronic and Communication Engineering in the year 2022. After completing my bachelor's, I joined Jspider and took DevOps course. In this course, I learned to work on the platforms like SQL, Java, web technology, and DevOps. My experience in Jspider was really good and got an opportunity to learn and gain knowledge from the experts like Sharik sir, Manoj sir, Bhumika ma'am, Tejas sir, and Harit sir. I would like to thank each and everyone for being friendly and resolving all the doubts. The classes were really good and very fun and more interactive. Coming to my interview part, it went well. They asked more about the programming languages. First round was virtual. In that round, it was technical and aptly was there. And second round was face to face, which was with HR, and they asked me to convert a mathematical formulas, like anything it may be, into a code. And it all went well, alhamdulillah. Finally I got selected, and I will be forever grateful for this, mashallah. And last but not the least, I would like to thank each and every one of Jspider faculties, trainers, and then the trackers. All the best to the upcoming students who will be joining to Jspider. Thank you.